and welcome to today's Speaky Card reading. Today's topic is why do people stare at you and what are they thinking? For that, as usual, you have three piles. Pile number one, pile number two, and pile number three. Now let's get started. And guys, if you like my content, please hit the like button, subscribe, and share. Now let's get started. Hello, hello, Pile Van. Let's see, why do people stare at you? What are they thinking? Literally, people find you to be very, very intriguing, very intimidating. You come here with a lot of experience. Typically, that's right off the bat, I'm feeling. Okay, now starting with the Tea Leaf Tarot. Caterpillar, things will not be the same. This way, a change is coming. You guys have been through a lot of changes, which helped you accumulate a lot of experience. You are a very experienced soul, very like you are an aged soul, somebody who has sailed through the sea of life and have bottled up a lot of experience. Leg stepping into a new experience. A lot of you have been through multiple experiences in life, both good, bad, and ugly. Hard work ahead. A lot of you had to restart either your profession or your personal life or both. You had to have a restart, a reset in your life, and things change from there. So you have been through those starts and endings, beginnings and endings in life quite a few times in life, and that has given you a lot of experiences. That's the first impression. People feel that this is a person who carry a lot of burden of their past maybe, but at the same time they've learned. They are very wise. Wisdom is a hallmark of your personality. Flute, disappointment in a friend or lover. You have been through, a lot of you have been through toxic relationships and toxic marriages. What like from there you had to pull yourself out, not just you yourself but also your, there were financial issues involved, there were kids involved for a lot of you, and you have experienced those. A lot of you have turned yourself into a counselor, a marriage counselor, a career counselor, because of your past experiences. Scissors, disappointment in some affairs. Yeah, you have been through a lot of disappointment in life. Wisdom comes when we realize that life will never be a bed of roses, but we have to learn to live with what life is offering to us. Stuff you will be taken care of in difficult times. You know what? You are somebody who has always been taken care of by the universe, by someone who is sitting above. You guys are a divine's destiny's favorite child. That's what people think when they are staring at you. Shield, you need to defend yourself. A lot of you people actually come to you for life suggestions. A lot of you also could be lawyers and advocates, or maybe you do some advocacy, some sort of advocacy. You know how to defend yourself. A lot of you could also be into martial arts. You have learned. A lot of you probably have been through some abusive relationships, so you learned how to defend yourself, and you make others feel very protected. You give voices to those people who does not have a voice of their own. You are extremely target oriented. People are awestruck by seeing how big a visionary you are. Your targets, and oh yes, career and a goal oriented person. Absolutely. Your targets, your goals are pretty fixed, and you know where you want to see yourself. You know where your life is headed towards. You are not like a rudderless ship who doesn't know where the life is headed towards. Rather, you are like a person who knows today where they want to reach, what goals they want to achieve, and you guys are walking relentlessly towards that. You're one of those people who needs a purpose. You live your life with a purpose. That's why people stare at you, because people can see that sense of wisdom and purpose in you. All right, guys, up until now, if you like my content, guys, please hit the like button, share, and subscribe. Your each and every like and subscription means means the world to me. So, guys, if you like my content, please, please, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Sun, happiness and well being. A lot of you are actually, you have been through the darker alleys in life and you have now come out into the light at last. Your life has, it has literally put you through the darker, deep, dark, sorrowful stages. But you walked through those without being fearful. Maybe you have been fearful at times, but since you have crossed past that lesson, today you have arrived at a better situation. Basket, recognition, reward for merit. You are a person who is ultimately now getting rewarded. You're getting recognized for what you bring on table. You bring a lot of wisdom, you bring a lot of life lessons, you bring a lot of success. You teach people how to, in spite of facing a lot of impediments, in spite of life like punching you in the gut, how to handle life like a boss. The forest, you are like an enchanted child, like that curious child in life who is like, a forest is like a little bit of darker alleys, a little bit of light thrown in between. Maybe you're getting lost in the process and rediscovering a new treasure trove. Literally, your life has always been that way. You felt lost at times, then you found yourself. So, people look at you, come to you for this kind of deep life lessons. You have had a very rich, deep life experience. The hunter card, you are a person, a hunter is somebody who has a lot of precision about them. They know exactly what they need to do. Today I need to bring back home something so that everybody at home they can eat. Hunter knows that if he can't bring something back home, then nobody will be able to eat. They need to bring something, come what may. That kind of come what may, buy, borrow, still, but get it done. That kind of a mindset can be seen. A doer, you are a doer, you are a relentless workhorse. Seven of Wands, literally, life has literally punched you so many times, but you have the capability of handling the life like a boss. What I'm seeing is a lot of you are known for your grace, your poise, your intellect. You are a person who has very high standards and you are not willing to lower your standards for other. Okay, the Fool card, you are a very adventure seeking person. You are somebody who is not afraid to take a new jump. A lot of you probably had to restart your career at maybe in the mid 30s. You went to college another time and restarted your career, and you are doing pretty well now. So that risk taking behavior, but that also comes, and people find it really attractive. I'm seeing like people stare at you because they look at your risk taking character, nature, and like feel like, wow, what have this person not gone through? But see, the way in which they handle their impediments is commendable. They also feel that you are emotionally a very stable person, somebody who is emotionally, you have been through a lot of difficulties emotionally, but that has actually made you, you are not a cranky person, you are not a clingy person. You are also very compassionate and empathetic. You are somebody who is a giver. You know that for you life is giving. You have given a lot to a lot of people and you try to do that all the time. You know what? You are known for a charities. You are known for your charitable natures and donations. You are that friend who will take care of your ailing friend during their difficult times. You could cook for them. You could help them with money, giving them shelter during their times of need. You are a true friend. You are somebody, you know what? People realize that this is a person who is very good with kids and small animals. Like you, if you are a parent, you are a fantastic parent. That's what people think. Or people feel that, you know what, I wish I could have kids with this person. If you are single, if the circumstances, of course, if the circumstances are applicable, people feel that, you know what, I wish we could have kids together because this person will make a fantastic parent. The moon card. Clearly, a lot of you could be Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. I'm also getting Leo, Sagittarius, a lot of Aquarius, a lot of Gemini. What I'm seeing is you guys are extremely intuitively and creatively blessed as well. You are very nourishing, nurturing, mother like at the same time, whether you identify as a female or a male, but at the same time, you are also very creatively blessed. You are somebody, maybe musical instruments to painting to singing, those things come, and spirituality comes naturally to you. You have been through a lot of hurdles, lot of impediments, but you are like this tortoise, who has this mindset of never gonna give up, no matter what. That kind of a mindset you have, that you never gave up, you faced the challenges, but you took everything on your chin and moved on. You okay, you've been through so many, like there was a time when you've been through, you had literally given up on life. Literally, with this Four of Cups, things were so bad that it still keeps you up at night. Like you were in such bad shape. Even now, you have nightmares regarding that situation. You are today a person with this Four of Cups. You are a person who has literally, there was a time when you had totally given up on life, and unexpectedly a new door opened. So you are a person who creates opportunities. People stare at you because you are a person who doesn't creep and cry and complain over spilled milk. Instead, you create opportunities, you create a new door or a new window for yourself. You have done it when, like, you did it when you were going through the worst of the worst phase of your life. You literally, with this wheel of fortune, you have turned the wheels of destiny in your favor. As I say, the wheels of the bus go round and round. I'm saying that you have been through a lot of difficulties. Life tested you, put you through a lot of trials and tribulations, but you came out with flying colors on the other side. That's what I'm saying. You came out with a lot of flying colors. You have done really, really well for yourself, coming from a place that you have, yeah, justice. Repeatedly I'm seeing you guys are, you are a very fair and just person who always stands up against discrimination. Any discriminatory practice, somebody trying to creep somebody out, but or maybe somebody been stalked, harassed, or being like insulted, you stand up against that. A lot of Librans can be seen. Also, what I'm seeing is a lot of you could be lawyers and advocates and judges, and also you could be into some animal and plant right, like animal climate rights, LGBTQ rights. It's like some kind of rights activism I can see in you. A lot of you, basically, you are somebody who has the backbone and the guts to stand up and say the unpopular truth, to speak up when others are really not having that guts. You are known, you are a lot of you could be psychic mediums, healers, crystals, could be into crystal healing, tarot, reiki, astrology, or counselor, a natural teacher. What people think is this is a fantastic person to go to, especially when they are at a like a philosophical void situation in life. And Nine of Cups, typically you are a person who has manifested a lot of their wishes into reality. You have manifested a lot of your wishes. You have managed to manifest a lot of your wishes with your hard work, patience, and determination. Four of Pentacles, you are also great with money. You are terrific with money. You are so, so good with money. A lot of people might actually call you stingy, but what I'm seeing is you're one of those people who have the proper financial acumen about them. You have the right kind of financial acumen, and people really respect you for that. Choose your path. You are literally, you guys are walking on a chosen path. That's what I feel like. You are somebody who has a sense of purpose. You get up and go by the day, having all along having a very strong sense of purpose nonetheless. Blue Heron, make a stand for what you believe in and do what feels right in spite of any judgment and disapproval from others. Literally, I'm seeing exactly, you have the guts, you have the backbone to speak up for yourself. You have the backbone to say that, you know what, this is right and that is not right. Having the backbone to speak up against the popular opinion also takes a lot of guts, and people stare at you wondering like, what is this person made up of? Their metal is superb. Zebra, you have a lot of strength of character. That means, Zebra, let go of your fear and know that you are safe and protected. You know, people feel that you are, people actually, you know, people feel very safe around you. People feel that if you are there in their life, they will be safe and protected. I'm seeing a lot of people going through difficult circumstances will come to you for suggestions. Sage, be devoted and committed. You are a person who is extremely disciplined, devoted, and committed towards their goals. You are very disciplined, dedicated, devoted, and committed. Step out of your comfort zone. You are a person who has no problem. You usually tend to push yourself out of your comfort zone. You have a habit of making yourself uncomfortable, and hence in the process, you know what, once we in the comfort zone, nothing is being achieved. You have achieved a lot in life primarily by putting yourself out there, pushing yourself out of the comfort zone. Wolverine, you're a lot tougher than you think you are. People think of you as somebody who is extremely tough, who cannot be defeated easily. Life, no matter what it throws at you, you can handle it like a boss. You have that gumption to face life head on. Yes, yes. Don't let pride get into the way. I was seeing a lot of Leos can be seeing, and you do everything. You have a lot of sense of character, but there is a lot of sense of humility and integrity as well. So you are a nice person. Maybe you do not look very approachable, but you are still a nice person, decent person. That's what people think. Bored, face your, people actually feel a little bit intimidated by you, and then that's why they don't approach you. They just stare at you instead of approaching you straight away. Bore, face your problems head on with confidence and courage, and you would emerge victorious. Literally, you have the gumption to face your life and life and its problems head on. You deserve sugar and not salt. You know, you have turned yourself into a person who has become like, earlier you would accept a lot of nonsense from others. Today, if somebody tries to mess you through, you tend to give them right back in their own currency. Thrown, your potential is endless. People literally feel that you have got endless potential. You are a fabulous, fabulous person. That's what people feel and think when they're staring at you. All right, guys, I hope you have had some clarity of your situation. If yes, guys, please hit the like button, subscribe, share, and join if you feel. Each and every one of you, your support means the world to me. Thank you. Namaste. Hello, hello, pile two. Let's see, why do people stare at you? What are they thinking? Clearly, the first one is the fire. Strong emotion, passionate love or hate. Literally, I'm seeing you come across as somebody who is very, very desirable. You evoke a lot of passion in people which they had not faced earlier. You are a heartbreaker. You literally, you burn the fire of desire in so many people's hearts without even realizing. You come across as also somebody who is very feisty, fiery, very desirable. Flag, do not be tempted to lower your standards. People also are in awe seeing how high your standards are. Your standards are very high. You don't believe in lowering your standards in order to accommodate those people who does not deserve your time or your mm, company. Angel, spiritual guidance, protection from harm. People also feel that they think that you are being completely protected from harms. You are completely protected by your spirit guides. Major challenge to overcome. You are a person who overcame a lot of challenges in life. You also come across as somebody who is very powerful, who has the guts, gumption, and power to face any challenge. You are very unforgettable, very intoxicating. There is something very dark, very mysterious about you. Changes in your life, moon. You know, your life, a lot of you could be Scorpio, Pisces, Cancer, especially Scorpio. You know, a lot of ups and downs. You know, your life has had this cyclical series of ups and downs that you have seen, and that is something like you have endured so much in life and people are in awe. You are somebody who is capable of creating a storm, an upheaval, a convulsion in people's lives. Egg, success assured with good plans and hard work. You have been a very, very hardworking person, somebody who is having a lot of success in life because you have been through a lot of, like, you have done a lot of hard work, a lot of Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo, somebody who is very scrupulous, very regimented. A lot of you are very intellectual and erudite. There is something very smart and erudite about you, and that is very attractive as well. And people stare at you. But take care, enemies are walking against you. You have a lot of people talking behind your back, even those people who pose as your so called friends, but they actually are your enemies. That's what I'm seeing. Bell, announcement. A lot of you are getting, I'm seeing, getting hitched, and people, you're getting hitched, or you're getting your graduation, you're getting something significant in life. You know, the announcement of that, you're getting a promotion, a raise, and people are looking up to you. People just wonder, like, how come this person has achieved. A lot of your so-called friends are so envious. They just feel that, you know what, I'm seeing a lot of shadow energy. A lot of your so-called friends just wonder, like, what has this person done. Actually, they do not want to acknowledge that you have put in so much effort in your life. You guys, okay, announcement and work achievement success. Clearly, with the ant, you are a relentless worker. People notice that. Some people are jealous, but mostly people understand that it's the success in your work field, especially, you're getting because you have put in a lot of hard work, a lot of meticulous, methodical hard work. Acts, forces working against you. All right, enemies working against you, forces working against you. I'm seeing a lot of you have several enemies. You know what, I'm seeing you have been through phases in life where, like, people compete over you for nothing, like, for, like, your friends wanting to dress the way you do, they wanting to copy your style, your exes, like, picking up silly fights, being very jealous and clingy. You guys have very high standards. Another thing that people realize, that you do not tolerate mistreatment. You have a lot of options, so you have got no problem walking out of a scenario where you're not being respected. Club, someone will try to make you do something against your will. Literally, I'm seeing a lot of people are actually trying to make you bend over backwards, to arm twist you into doing things, to gaslight and manipulate you. I'm seeing you guys are seeing a lot of success, but a lot of negative people are also hovering around you, so be a little careful. All right, guys, Up until now, if you like my content, guys, please hit the like button, share and subscribe. Your subscription, your likes, your comments, they mean the world to me. So if you like my content, please, please, please support my channel. It would mean the world to me. Thank you. Guaranteed success. Literally, I'm seeing you guys are becoming the stars. You guys are achieving the success that you always deserved. A lot of you actually didn't get the success, you didn't hit that success milestone earlier, but now you guys are getting it at last. Family wishes come true. Literally, a lot of you have been through difficult family scenarios, difficult family situations where your parents had to work very, very hard. You had almost, you felt like your childhood being taken away. A lot of you lost your parents early, dealing with foster care, having to stay with your grandparents, having to stay at boardings and hostels. I'm not saying they are bad, but normal childhood, a lot of you felt like that was snatched away from you, and today you guys are getting what you always deserved, and there are people who are being envious of that as well. So be a little bit careful when people stare at you. Some of them, they acknowledge that this person has come a long way, but there are people who are also envious. They don't want to acknowledge dealings or relationship with a woman. Some of you, I'm seeing, could be getting into a relationship, be it with a woman or a man. Okay, younger man, dealings or relationship with a younger man. Some of you could be getting into a relationship. It could be romantic, it could be platonic, but that is raising a lot of eyebrows. I'm seeing a lot of you, the equation is an older woman and a younger man equation happening, and it could be any kind of relationship, but that's raising a lot of eyebrows, and people are talking, people are staring at you. You know what, you come across as somebody who is very vibrant, very humorous, adaptive, somebody who loves theater, arts, but there is a deeper layer to you. This shapeshifter, this part, it shows Rahu. Rahu is the north node of the moon, which shows an effect of illusion. There is an essence, there is an element of illusion about you. Things that you are seeing and things that you are enduring and things that are actually happening to you are two completely different things. And I'm seeing you guys being like, the shapeshifter is somebody who knows exactly what is right for them. You guys are very accommodative. You guys, like, the things that they show on the surface, it's like the devil energy. On the surface, you could be very flamboyant, you could be very happy go lucky, but on the inside, you're actually a very hard working person. Somebody who has walked very, very hard to reach wherever they have. The mother, you are a very nurturing, caring, cooperative kind of a person. Also very caring, very nice, very compassionate, very compassionate and empathetic. But be careful a little bit, because I'm seeing even in the past you have had people taking advantage of your kindness, the judgment. With this, you are succeeding in life, you are shining brightly. A lot of you could be Geminis, being a social butterfly, being very gregarious. Most of you guys are very gregarious on surface. You're very much into networking and forming social connections and stuff like that. But the thing is, on the inside, you burn your midnight oil in order to reach the level of success that you have reached in life. Seven of Swords, people also feel that this is a very calculating person, somebody who looks at life like a chess game, because you have been backstabbed. I'm seeing even now you have got people around you who are willing to backstab you, do things at your cost, and not give you the due credit. That is something that I can see. Queen of Swords, you are a person who is extremely, the Queen of Swords is typically a very sharp, intelligent person. Somebody also I'm seeing having very sharp features, high cheekbones. Usually you tie your hair up in a bun or a high ponytail, very much like focused about what they're going to do, and is like you're a no nonsense kind of a person, but very good looking, having strong, sarcastic, dark sense of humor. There's something very intoxicating, very witchy and dark about you. And that is something that people are a little bit scared of, I'll say. A lot of you're very good looking, and people put you on a pedestal. They have to look up in order to see you. I'm seeing a lot of you are very good judge of human character. You can see right through people's nonsense. People put you up on a pedestal. You're very popular. A lot of people are interested in you. Absolutely, a lot of people are interested in you. You're extremely enigmatic, very magnetic. You have a lot of friends. A lot of friends know about you, but knowing you in person, nah, that's probably not a thing. Very few people get to know you in person. Probably mostly people get to know about you, but not you, the person. You also have the capabilities of creating opportunities and riches for yourself. You are somebody who has created the opportunities, you have created the lifestyle that you have. I'm seeing most of you are coming from a pretty humble background where you are not handed down anything, but you guys created with your own sharpness, with your own. A lot of you have been a very logical, left brain, analytical persons. Some of you could be coming from the STEM field or economics or things like crypto and stock market. Those things are your forte, and you guys have used your knowledge to the best of your abilities to reach wherever you have today. You guys are doing fantastic in life, but it was all through your own hard work, your own efforts, and not anyone else's effort. Six of Wands, you are a person, you're very ambitious. I'm seeing you guys are very ambitious, very determined, very driven. If you put your mind to something, you achieve it. Full stop. There is no other way. The strength card, see how strong she is with that Queen of Swords. I'm getting a lot of Queen's energy, like confident, royal, with something very strong, capable, King and Queen energy here also. I also had one reason reading yesterday, similar kind of like very strong, tough, strong character, very powerful, exuding power, strength. Wherever you go, people listening to you, people looking up to you are seen as a very strong person, extremely strong and desirable. Seriously, Six of Swords, you guys swam through a lot of really, choppy waters, stormy seas. You had to endure a lot of storms in your life, a lot of stormy seas in general. Wheel of Fortune, you guys have literally turned the wheels of fortune in your favor. The wheels of destiny turned into wheels of fortune in your favor in your life. And that is something like people have seen you transition from the Six of Swords energy, enduring the choppy seas, to somebody who has slowly but surely and significantly have turn their life around. The wheels of fortune has turned in your favor, and people are in awe. Seriously, I'm seeing a lot of abundance coming your way. With your own hard work, you increased your capability. A lot of you, literally, you had to work and go to college and like literally pay for everything and go to college, like not in that way, pay in the sense you have to support yourself and go to college. And you did that from a very, even in high school you did it from a very younger age group, and that is something people find really commendable. People find you very enigmatic, extremely commendable, somebody who is not afraid to start something new and fresh. you know, because you are a very meticulous planner, very scrupular, regimented, meticulous kind of a person. You're very brave and honest. Your bravery is something that people are in awe of. People look at you, people stare at you. A lot of you have very, like, your eyes, I'm seeing a lot of you could be Scorpios, very deep set eyes, and people are intimidated. It's time to take action. You're extremely action oriented. A lot of you, yeah, strong motion energy. Aries can also be seen. You're very action oriented, very driven, very focused. You are a doer. There are people who sit there and think that they would do this, that, and the other, but you just do it. Just like that, you do it. Cheetah, get clear on your intention, stay focused, move quickly to achieve your goal. You are like a cheetah today. You are very focused about your intention, very focused, and you know what you want, and you move quickly towards it. You literally run towards your goals, walk through your fears. Scorpio can be significant for a lot of you. You are somebody who has faced their fears, and you've got no problem. Like, once we face our fears head on, we feel way more confident about our own abilities. That is exactly what has happened for you, my dear pile number two. That, you know what, you've faced your fears, and you know now what you're capable of doing, because you have actually been through a lot. When life couldn't pull me down, life couldn't beat me down there, I'll do this as well. That has become your mindset. Very invincible kind of a mindset. Taurus can be seen. Your dreams need a practical plan. Exactly. You are a person who does not dream with their eyes closed. Rather, you are a very practical kind of a person, somebody who sees their dreams with their eyes wide open and plan meticulously. Take time to reflect. You're also very self reflective, which shows you are a very, very mature person. You're somebody who is very self made. You have created your own journey, you have created your own way. You know, Daughters of our mother, walkers of the unknown, take with you on this journey all that you hone. Literally, you have honed all the talents that you have taken in this journey. A lot of you are very self taught. You could also be self made, but you're very, very much self taught. A lot of you probably couldn't even go to college, but you still acquired those skills and are now selling them for a premium price. That's what I'm seeing. Mountains, stand your ground. You guys have learned to stand your ground. You guys have learned to become defiant and belligerent when it comes to your work. That is something. You have a very strong opinion. Your voice is being heard. When, like, I'm seeing you are being looked up to whenever in any platform, everywhere you go, whenever you speak, you have a very deep psychological. Your speeches are usually very deep, very, it touches people's psyche in a different way. It touches people, and people listen to you. People love you in general. Expect a powerful change. You guys, I'm seeing you've been through some major, massive, powerful changes in life. Stand up for yourself. You are somebody who has the guts to stand up for themselves. You have the guts to stand up for what you. I just refocus the camera a little bit. You have the guts to stand up for what you believe in, and you do not believe in dimming your own light for others to make others more comfortable. You guys are shining brightly, and that's why people are staring at you. You can always rewrite your story. Literally, you guys have rewritten your life story. Don't be afraid to sing. You are a person who genuinely, you also had the judgment card, that beautiful judgment card. What I'm seeing is you have the guts to sing the song just the way you want. Like, literally, you are one of those people who dances to the bits of the, like, to the tunes of their own bit, to the bit of their own tune, whatever that right expression is. You could let me know in the comment section below. I always get it confused. All right, guys, I hope you have had some clarity over your situation. If yes, guys, please hit the like button, subscribe, and share. Your support means the world to me. So if you like my content, please, please, please support my channel. Thank you. Namaste. Hello, hello, pile 3. Let's see. Why do people stare at you? What are they thinking? Clearly, younger women. Dealings or relationship with a younger woman. What I'm seeing is you look much younger than your age. That's what people think. A lot of you look much younger and are at a position of success. So, a young achiever, a younger person. You could be in your 30s, but people think you would be in your 20s. So, that kind of an impression, that's what people are thinking. Ram. Aries can be significant. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, a stubborn, aggressive person. Okay. People think of you as somebody who is stubborn, who is intimidating, somebody who is not very approachable, maybe a little bit proud, and people are a little bit intimidated by you in general. So probably they stare at you instead of approaching you because they don't really dare. You have a certain air of confidence, a certain air of command about you. You command respect. You are extremely self-reliant. You have a position of authority, an air of authority about you as well. A young person who is at a very high position, that's what people are thinking. Shark, take care, or there will be loss of material wealth. You guys are very, very, like, a lot of you are very good with your financial decisions as well. Or maybe people feel that you tend to show off a lot. Okay, that could also be the case, that this person should take care of their money better, or they might lose it all. You guys a lot of you guys have made quite a bit of success, quite a bit of money at a younger age. Victory in some endeavor. People think of you as a victorious person, somebody who has won in life in the material aspect. Peacock, beware of great pride. You guys come across as somebody who are very proud of themselves. Pride is one thing. You guys should, like, you guys could be like just very much a little bit standoffish, and people think of you as a proud person. So this is what people are thinking. You're very bold. When you enter the room, you have that boldness about you, and make yourself hard seen, just the way in which you are. You want, like, you are somebody who can command a certain condition. Like, you walk into a room and people start following you, climbing the ladder of success. Literally, people think that this is a person who has achieved a lot at a young age, and hence they're very proud, they have an air of authority. So that kind of like people feeling a little bit like whether we should approach them or not. A lot of people who would love to date you are the ones who think that they are much inferior to you. Probably that would not be the case. Probably a lot of people actually now, after they have gotten to know you in person, they tell you that, you know what, earlier we were too intimidated to talk to you even. So that is something, like, after they get to know you in person, they realize that. That is something that I'm seeing. Parrot, someone will gossip about all your secrets. Like, there are you guys are winning in life. You're climbing the ladder of success. So I'm seeing a lot of people gossiping about you as well. Like, people do it all the time. Bread, period of prosperity and abundance. Literally, you guys are going through a period of prosperity and abundance. You have that power. People feel that this is a very charismatic person, somebody who has the charisma and the charm to draw people in. So I'm seeing a lot of people actually want to form allies with you, friendships with you. They feel very protected around you. Archway, new opportunities, possibilities, and pathways are opening up. Literally, you are a workaholic. For you, you are like a karma yogi. For you, your work is your worship. You don't look at your work as a chore. People realize that you guys, with your impeccable work ethics, have achieved a lot in your life at a pretty young age. Dolphin, financial gain. usually coming from something you did in the past. Literally, you are getting a lot of success from all the hard work. I'm seeing you guys, probably a lot of you started working as a teenager, maybe on some product, some business, some services, and that is giving you the return today. So you are also, a lot of you could be lifestyle coaches because you are very practical. You could be earning a lot of money teaching people different lifestyle related living skills. Life coach, practical aspect. Some, maybe, you get a lot of coaches these days to train you for maybe Java, Python. I'm just giving some examples. Maybe AI. So those kind of, like, you have some practical skills about you and you teach people that, especially online. I'm seeing a lot of Rahu influence, a lot of illusion is there around you, I'm hearing, and you make a lot of money out of that. I'm just giving an example. All right, guys, up until now, if you like my content, guys, please hit the like button, subscribe, and share. Your support, your comments means the world to me. So if you like my content, please, please, please support my channel. Vacation for you, your life is like a vacation. You don't have to worry about, like, where will my next paycheck come from. You don't have to worry for that. Romance is in the air. You guys are, literally, you guys are a lot, you're very desirable. A lot of people who cannot approach you, they would love to romance you for sure. The poet, clearly I'm seeing you are a timeless beauty or a gorgeous person inside out. Also a very psychic person, somebody who searches for truth in all the nooks and darker corners and brings them, carries them out in the forefront for others to see. Literally, you are a truth seeker. You have no problem speaking the truth out in the open, and even if it comes at the cost of being, like, irking a few people, ruffling a few feathers, you are okay with that. That's what I'm hearing, that you have got no problem in ruffling a few feathers if that's what it takes, because your truth to you is very, very important. Your truth is very important. All right, the ocean. You know what? It is like, it shows how deep your mind is. You are deeper than the deepest ones. Your power is unmatchable. You give off a image of strength and power for sure. You know, as they say, to step into the salty water is to step into the unknown. There is a very unexplored, unappreciated side of your persona, which makes you very, very mysterious. The strength card from the Cozy Witch deck. The first one is the strength card. I love how pretty, pretty these cards are. It takes great strength to be soft. You know what? People see you as a very strong person, but what I'm seeing is, it is a dichotomy. You are actually a very kind, compassionate person, but you're more like the coconut. You don't show it off to others. The hermit. There are some things that must be done on your own. You are a person who is a doer. I'm seeing a lot of you are loners because you prefer to do your work in, like, in alone time. You prefer to do your work. You prefer to have your own company and your cats and your books and your candles and do your own job. A lot of you are very quiet, introverted, stoic, observant people who would quietly do their work that they're supposed to be doing. Temperance, let go of self imposed limitations. I'm seeing a lot of you have been through a phase where you felt that you are not good enough, and you have at last come out of it. And your hard work, patience, perseverance, and determination has helped you come out of it on the other side. So I'm seeing you guys are a person who has had a lot of self imposed limitations about you, and that is something, and you have come out of it. You have won over those. I'm seeing a lot of Virgo energy. The Chariot card. You will never get anywhere if you keep standing still. Literally, literally, even in your darkest phase, you are a person who is very proactive in life. That is something people feel, that this is a person who always, even if they cannot walk, they try to crawl. They can't run, they walk. If they can't walk, they crawl. You are a very progressive person. No matter how difficult life becomes, you try to stay productive. You try to stay on your heels. Star, have faith that healing is in the forecast. Literally, you are a person, a lot of you could be natural healers, spiritual healers, or doctors, nurses, dentist, naturopath, therapist, counselor. That can also be seen. And people find a lot of healing in you, very cathartic effect you have. You are somebody who is not afraid to put yourself in a very uncomfortable situation and put in all the hard work. I'm seeing a very hardworking person who is always pushing their boundaries, who is always stepping out of the comfort zone in order to achieve things that are unimaginable for others. A patient witch, learn to get comfortable with sitting still whenever necessary. You are a person who is very, very patient, persistent, perseverant. So you have achieved whatever in your life. It's through your patience, your hard work, your determination, and perseverance. The world, yay, you did it. Now do something to celebrate a job well done. You guys, I'm seeing like people are noticing you because you guys are at last celebrating yourself. You guys are at last celebrating your life. The Cozy Witch. Take a chance, for each morning is a new beginning. Literally, I'm seeing you are having a new beginning in your life, a new, better world, a new, better morning for yourself. You're having a new beginning, better beginning at your life, better chance at your life in general. Page of Pentacles, when life gives you lemons, make enchanted lemonade. You are a person who is extremely good at making opportunities out of adversity. You are somebody, when life throws lemons, you make lemonade. When there is a tornado, you build a windmill and start generating electricity, make some money out of it, make your life better. So you are great at making opportunities out of like thin air. So that is something people notice about you. That's why people stare at you and wonder, like, this is a person who is so astute, somebody who is so patient, perseverant, and astute in nature. Emperor, being the authority of your own life comes with a lot of responsibility. You are a person who has reached a certain position with a lot of hard work, in order to reach that position and maintain that. It made you very responsible. It makes you very dependable, reliable, and responsible as an individual. Such a pretty card. Justice. Stick to your truth and everything will turn out just fine. Literally, I'm seeing you have the guts to speak your truth no matter what. You have that gumption, that backbone to stand up and say that this is my version, to speak in a very respectful way, very compassionate way. Even if other people are trolling you, bad mouthing you, you are a very classy person no matter what. The Magician card. You have everything you need to do anything you want. Literally, I'm seeing you are the alchemist of your own destiny. You have, remember, the magician has all the four elements of nature, that air, water, fire, and earth. And you can use, literally, you have used everything to manifest this current reality into being. That's what I'm seeing. The Hierophant. Tradition is important, but it doesn't have to be everything. Literally, I'm seeing a lot of you are very good teachers and you're a very out of the box thinker. You are traditional, but at the same time you are a very practical, a very unpredictable person, predictably unpredictable person, if that makes sense. Like a very out of the box thinker. Probably you could wear mismatch earrings, something very eccentric, very off-centric about you, but very attractive, and people stare. Good luck to you guys. A lot of you actually look pretty, not just beautiful, like this beautiful glasses and your beautiful wavy lock of hair, the way in which it frames your face. I'm seeing gorgeous big eyes, but a lot of you probably also wear glasses. Good luck charm. It seems to be going your, if nothing seems to be going your way, cast a spell. Literally, you are like, you have been pretty lucky. Even when people felt that this is something that this person is doing is improbable, but you got lucky and you did it anyways. I'm seeing your patience and perseverance is paying off in life, and people are noticing that from afar. Nine of Pentacles, pause and savor the results of your success. Literally, you guys are savoring the results of your success. The results, not just the results, it's the fruits of your hard work that you're savoring. Eagles see from a higher perspective. You are a person who can look at things from a higher perspective. Why? Because I'm seeing a lot of you are today having that kind of a mindset where you have that leadership point of view. Like a leader, you don't get into the nitty gritty of things, but you see to it that the things get done. Elk, stand tall and maintain your dignity no matter what, and others will treat you with respect that you deserve. You get treated with a lot of respect, and you're very graceful, very dignified. Spider, what a wild web we weave, dear child, a delicious mystery untamed. You guys have literally, you have spun a wild web of mystery, and that is something that stands, there's a web of mystery around you, and that is something that why people stare at you, that's like poses a lot of question, like who is this person in reality. Communication is key. Gemini, I'm seeing you guys have, a lot of you have natural gift of the gab. You speak multiple languages with elan and aplomb, and people are mesmerized whenever you speak so well. Your hard work is paying off. Capricorn, Capricorn can be significant for a lot of you. You guys are actually reaping the benefits of your hard work, and people are noticing and appreciating that. Some are jealous, but mostly people are appreciating that. Hum back well. Music is essential to your healing and well-being, whether singing, playing an instrument, or listening. Literally, I'm seeing a lot of you are natural artists, very crafty people. Don't doubt your worth. I'm always enough. You have developed this new thing about yourself, that you've stopped doubting yourself. And that, my dear pile number three, has given you a lot of newfound success, a newfound confidence in your life. Thorns, weave together the crown you deserve. You guys have literally woven together the crown with the thorn that life has thrown at you. This typically tells me that you are a person who is very adept at turning your adversities into opportunities. Alright, guys, I hope you have had some clarity over your situation. If yes, guys, please, please, please hit the like button, subscribe, and share. Thank you. Namaste. Your support would mean the world to me. So please support my channel if you like my content. Thank you.